everyone, Gaga Joy, Gaga Joy's cooking. We're going to make something a little different, and I guess you've seen it all over the cooking shows and TikTok. It's a Coca-Cola cake, and it's it's the thing right now. But the funny thing is, it's an old cake. I can remember this being around years ago, but it is one of those cakes that is so good and rich if you're chocolate lover. It's got a sort of a liquid icing, so it's just wonderful. So we thought we would try to make it today. I haven't made it. I cannot tell you how many years it's been since I've made it. And in case you wonder why I have these black glasses on, I had cataract surgery this week, and my eyes are very sensitive to light right now. Let's see. The first one is you have 2 sticks of butter and a 1/4 cup of cocoa powder. And 1 cup of coca-cola. My favorite is, but there has to be sugar cola. I love the zero Coke, but this has to be real Coke. Now keep this because this goes into the icing also. Well, now you have to put it in the microwave. You can put it in a pot and get it melted if you want to, but it's better for me if I do it in the microwave. First is 2 minutes. Now what I did was I put it in there for 2 minutes, and I took it out and stirred it because it rather hadn't, the butter had not melted. So what we're going to do is just set this aside and let it cool down a little bit because we got also put eggs in it. Okay, we'll just set that over here. It's not that hot. Remember, you put it in for 2 minutes. I took it out and stirred it and put it in for 1 more minute. Okay. Now the next one is just almost like a regular cake. I'm using Martha White self-rising flour. 2 cups of Martha White self-rising flour. It's better just to sort of fluff your flour up a little bit. And 2 cups of sugar. I'll tell you a little secret. You can also, instead of going through this, you can use a cake mix. Cake mixes too. And so a lot of people do use the cake mixes. I have used them before. Put this in here. 2 eggs. And 1/2 cup of buttermilk. Now, just use this one. You keep buttermilk on hand in case you want to make cornbread. They have the dried buttermilk now. I haven't tried it, but I'm going to because a lot of times when I bake runs out of my buttermilk and I don't get to use it. our buttermilk. And 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Got that. And let's see how hot this is. I don't want to have better temper it a little bit. We don't want to have fried eggs in a cake. I probably should have set it down in a little bit of ice. Okay. Here's what you put the whole bowl of dried ingredients in here. And also, I suggest that you do not use a hand mixer or a stand mix. So, here. Let's make sure we got everything. 2 sticks of butter, a 1/4 cup of cocoa powder, 1 cup of Coca-Cola. And you put that in the microwave, and let it go for 2 minutes and then 1 minute. 2 eggs, 2 cups of sugar, 2 cups of self-rising flour, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, and a 1/2 cup of buttermilk. That's it. Now I have buttered my pan. I've got my oven on 350. That's the cake. That's how easy that was. Then we'll put it in the oven for 350 for 25 to 35 minutes. It is a Morse cake, so we'll have to check and make sure it gets done in the middle. But in the meantime, we'll come back and do some icing. Well, now we're going to make our icing. It's not, you don't have to put it on the stove or anything. And this icing, believe it or not, makes it. It's just 1 stick of butter, three cups of powdered sugar, let's see, 3 cups. going to sift this powdered sugar. You don't have to, but it looks to me like it's a little. Okay, 3 cups of sugar, teaspoon of vanilla, or more, 3 cups of sugar, vanilla, cocoa, another 1/4 cup of cocoa. Actually, 3 tablespoons is the same thing as 1/4. Now, we want 6 tablespoons of coca-cola. And we're just going to mix it up as best we can, and then we're going to put it in the microwave. A minute at a time so we get it good and mixed up. It's probably going to take 2 minutes, 3, maybe 3. Okay. I just put it in for 2 minutes, and it's perfect. You see, we had 3 cups of powdered sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, a 1/4 cup of cocoa powder, a stick of butter, 6 tablespoons of Coke. And the Coke and the cakes have got about 10 more minutes. Well, this took almost 40 minutes for the top to get done. I guess it's because it's so moist. I don't want that one. You need a little thing to support a few holes in here. Big ones, little ones. Because that's what's going to hold our icing. The icing is hot. And let's just pour it over it. Wow. Well, and it's should say good. Well, there is our Coca-Cola cake. So swirl it around. This is our Coca-Cola cake. And it's better to eat it hot. Well, I can't wait this. My daughter's sitting over waiting to get a piece of cake. Take care of yourself. See you soon. Remember the joy.